what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, obviously. It has been a minute or two since the last time I did a video or filmed a video or posted a video, horizontal instead of vertical. But we're back at it. Your girl has been busy, fashion design, school, and getting all those projects turned in and on time. Yada yada. Today it's raining outside. It's really nice. It has cooled off here in California since like a week ago. It was freaking hot, over 80 degrees on some days, which that's probably not the hottest it's been here, but it's still like it's in the middle of January, February, and it's like toasty. Since it's raining outside, I thought it would be perfect to do like a cozy indoor activity. I have a volleyball game tonight, tennis tomorrow, and volleyball class. It's a lot of sports going on at the same time. It's getting competitive in a good way. Anywho, the purpose of today's video is I wanted to share with you guys some of the latest projects I've been working on, my current work in progress or WIPs. The first one I wanted to share with you guys, a knit cardigan. I've had to redo it not once, not twice, but thrice now. The pattern, I think, uses thinner yarn than the one that I ended up using. Of course, it ended up being too big, but we could fix that by doing the whole thing again 2 more times. So the first time I did it, it was way too big. Second time, a little bit, still too big. So the third time, I just tried it on and I'm satisfied with where it's at right now. I am now working on the bottom ribbing of the cardigan. I will show you what it looks like right now. Tried it on. This is exactly how I want it to be, a little more cinched in and snatched, so I want it form-fitting to my body. I finished the neck ribbing, did some raglan increases. This is the front part of the cardigan. So this is where the button band is going to go, like on the edge right here. The back is just plain. Once I'm done with the bottom ribbing, I'll probably check in with you guys again to show the finished cast off, and then I'm starting to do the button, the plackets, and then the arm sleeves. I will then move on to my second project and show you guys that. Turning out beautifully. It's over here on my desk. It already looks so good on camera too. This is the knit shawl that I'm making. Again, it's very like transparent because it's a lace pattern design. And then this is the back too. Like little edge stitches too as well. And I think I'm like at halfway point right now, so it's gonna be a lot bigger, and I want it to be big enough to wrap around my hips, drape over, and like tie with an outfit or a jacket or a sweater. What would really look fire is collared shirt and then like put it under the collar. Like, I already have so many outfit ideas that I'm thinking in my head right now before it's even done. I'm really proud about that project. It's probably one of the most difficult patterns I've ever done in my knitting career because there's a lot of different steps and there's like a whole grid chart that you have to follow for the pattern. Hopefully I'll remember and kind of like link the patterns that I used for these 2 items that I'm sharing with you guys today. The yarn that I'm using for the lace shawl pattern is the one of the hobby yarns that I ordered off of their website. It's the Hobby Diablo Mohair, the natural white color, which is more of like an off-white color. I'm like in love, like I'm speechless of how amazing this is turning out. Can't wait to see the finished product that comes out of that yarn. I'm just gonna work on the cardigan for now. I'm going to check in with you guys in a little bit. It is the next day. I just got home from school, tennis and volleyball. After my classes, I walked around campus. Our new library just opened on our campus. It looks pretty sweet. It's pretty nice. I got to walk around all 3 levels of the new library today. I took some video, so I'll show that around here. I really want to hang out there more now after class, maybe either next week on Tuesday, which I have a club meeting after my classes, so I thought I would hang out there more next Tuesday and just take advantage of the available free space. Well, it's technically not free because you got to pay tuition and all that and just like knit for like an hour or so before my club meeting, so I'll probably be doing that too. I started working on the button band of the cardigan, so I'm starting the first side here. I did one row already. It's looking pretty good. I finished the bottom ribbing last night and I got all of that done. I did about, I would say like 7 centimeters of the bottom band. It's exactly what I wanted, so I'm just gonna keep on working on the button band for now. I'll catch up with you guys later when I'm done with both sides. Oh, I can't believe the time already like flew by so much while filming this, but a couple of minutes. I have to take my doggy out on a walk, so we're going to the park so she can get some fresh air and play around with the other pups at the park. Yeah, roll the doggy footage, I guess. Maggie! Hey! Currently, I'm working on the sleeves of the cardigan right now. I did a couple rows of the lace shawl last night. Right now, I'm taking my doggy to go cycling with me at the park, and let me take you along for that. Hi everyone, I'm back. This is the next day, officially done with the cardigan. I worked up the sleeves and finished last night, and it's looking pretty good if I do say so myself. I just got home from volleyball and it's raining again outside, but nice and cozy in here right now. So try this on and show you guys how it's looking. I still have to block it and dry it, but I'm probably not going to do that today because it's still raining outside. So this is what it looks like on. The sleeves turned out really well. Ended up like cinching it when I casted it off, like a crop sleeve, so they don't get in the way when I'm doing things or like knitting. I went for like a nautical look with the buttons. I've been seeing like a lot of cardigans with this type of button. I like the different stripes. This is the final look of the cardigan. I'm still working on the lace shawl. Is what it's looking like. It looks really pretty. So I actually think I'm just gonna end the video for today's vlog right here. I still have a lot more projects to do, which I'm gonna put that into the next video that I put out. I'm gonna continue on working the lace for the next video. My new project that I want to start are these socks. I already have the yarn for this new project. I'm going to be using Hobby Friends sock wool in oat milk color, midnight blue, and add like mohair to the midnight blue. I'm going to be using those. I'll test it out first before I start knitting them up. Well, anyway, that's it for this week's knit vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.